Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video if you are a first timer. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real OG. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch everything I post. Today we are going to be talking about how to purchase items on Alibaba or AliExpress without the use of a Naira card, like without the use of a Naira debit card. So if you're interested in this video, feel free to wait, like to listen and watch the end of this video, because there is a lot fully packed for you guys. So let's get into the video. For a start, we need to know the types of Chinese websites we have. Okay, we have 1688, we have AliExpress, which is very popular, we have Alibaba, we have Pindodo, we have Made in Nigeria, and so on. Like, we have many others, so you just have to Google and find the one you like to really deal in it. Like, so now we have to know which one of these which one of these Chinese websites rather declines Naira card. Like, which one of these Chinese websites I just mentioned now declines Naira card. Now, when I'm saying Chinese website, don't think it's like a website. They are also available in apps. If you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store for iPhone users, they are also available there. Alibaba is available on Play Store as an app, AliExpress also, but 1688 is not available, like is not available as an app. Okay, like, let me explain. It is available as an app, but you can't find it on Play Store. You have to get it from someone that has, that particular app. Okay, it is not on Play Store, it is not on Apple Store. Like, 1688 is not, like, they did not issue the app on Play Store or Apple Store, but you can collect it from someone that has the app. Like, they can send it to you as a link, because I have it and I usually send it. They can send it to you as a link, so you just have to install it when they send it to you. So it is not available on Play Store and Apple Store, so as Pindodo too. But made in China is available as an app on Play Store and on Apple Store. Why? See, I don't use iPhone. I don't use an iPhone. I don't know if it's Apple Store they call it, but you understand what I'm saying. So AliExpress, Alibaba, and Made in Nigeria are available as an app. You get, they're available as an app for you to download. But 1688 and Pindodo are not available as an app. So all these Chinese app or website I just mentioned now declines Naira debit card. There is no Chinese website that accepts Naira debit card. As in, you cannot purchase for items on any Chinese website or Chinese app with the use of a Naira debit card. Except 1688, where the only way you can purchase for item is by having a verified Alipay account, or you pay an agent to make purchase of your goods for you. Now, if you don't understand how to make payment on Alipay, you can actually check a video I've made. I will link it in the description box. You can check it, like watch the video on how to make payments on 1688. Okay, now let me teach you how to make payments on these Chinese apps that ban our Naira card. There's a solution. Okay, if you can't buy from Alibaba, AliExpress, there is a solution for it, and the only solution is by having a virtual dollar card. The only way you can make purchase or you can pay for items on those apps, let me mention the apps, Alibaba and AliExpress, those two apps. The only way you can make purchase on those two apps is by having a virtual dollar card. What is a virtual dollar card? A virtual dollar card, like you are hearing it, dollar card. Virtual means something that is not physical. Okay, the opposite of physical is virtual. Like, when they say you have a physical dollar card, that means it is with you. It's physical, it's something you can hold, something physical, a card you can hold. But when they say something is virtual, something you cannot hold, like something that is let's say online, okay, but you have it. I'm going to mention these apps that issues dollar card, like virtual dollar card. I think the rain wants to fall because the weather is becoming somehow, so I have to just quickly round up this thing. Okay, so the types of app that issues virtual dollar card, we have Gray, we have Change Area, we have CashX, we have Payday, we have Cheaper Cash, we have Carbon. Okay, let me mention it again. Payday, Gray, Change Area, Cash X, Carbon, and Cheaper Cash. Okay, you have to go check on this app, like check on these apps and find the one that is suitable for you and register. When you register and you request for a virtual dollar card, they will actually give it to you. So the virtual dollar card has everything like our normal debit card. It has our pin, our CVV, our everything. This numbers at the front and at the back, it has everything. So you have, what you have to do is whenever you want to make payments on your, like, you have your card, you can put money in it. You get, it's just like a normal naira card, you can put money in it. So when it's time for you to make payment on Alibaba or AliExpress, all you have to do, when you get to the place where they will ask you to put your pin, your CVV, all those things, is your dollar card, like the information on your dollar card. You just copy it from your app and just impute it, and that's how you make payment, okay, with a virtual dollar card. So you have to look for the kind of card, like the type of card that is that fits you. Now I advise you to follow them on IG, follow them on Instagram. They are all on Instagram. Follow them on Instagram. Find, like, just make, you can follow them on Instagram or make your findings about the app, about the one that you like, about the app or company that issues dollar card, like about any company that you like, and pick any one of your choice. Okay, pick any one of your choice. Personally, I love Gray. I use Gray. So pick anyone. We don't have the same choice. Okay, find anyone. They all issue virtual debit card. They all issue virtual dollar card rather. So find anyone you feel like, just find anyone, make your findings, pick one and register, request for a dollar card, and it will be given to you, and you can start making purchase on AliExpress. It's not to just abandon your AliExpress and say, you know what, since they don't accept naira card, I don't know what to do. The way you can purchase items on Alibaba and AliExpress is by making use of a virtual dollar card. And these are the companies that offer virtual dollar card. So go on any of the app, you request for a dollar. It takes some days, it's not easy like that. It takes some days, but this is the fastest way to get a dollar card. You can't just walk into any Nigerian bank and say you want to get a dollar card and they will give it to a poor man. When I mean poor man, not like we are poor or something, but you will, like, the black market rate and all those things, for you to start exchanging naira to dollar to put in your account, all those kind of stuff. The fastest way is to have a virtual dollar card, and these are the ways. The way is by downloading, finding one, download. You can check them on IG, like just visit their IG page. They post how to register, all those things. Just visit their IG page. You can check for every one of them, check for everything, and find the one you prefer. Find one you prefer and go for it. You understand? So if you have any question for me, leave it in the comment section and I will answer your questions. I'm so sorry about the lighting. I'm so sorry. I'm not in my hostel. I went to school and came back and I saw another change has happened to my bulb, and the bulb is giving this kind of vibe. I actually don't understand what's going on, but yeah, we move. So if you have any question for me, leave it in the comment section, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till we see again in another channel. What did I just say? Till we see again in another video. For now, bye.